Hi there, welcome to our channel and welcome to our Wix Studio series. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a teammate as your site collaborator. Here's how you can do it. On your workspace, go to Sites on the left. Hover over the collaborator icon of the site you want to remove a teammate from. This is the collaborator icon, by the way, and you'll see it under the team column if you are in the list view. If you are in the grid view, just like this, hover over the site you want to work on, and the collaborator button should be right here. Click Manage Collaborators. Here, look for the person you want to remove and click the three-dot button that corresponds to it. Select Remove Collaborator. A pop-up warning will appear. Once removed, they won't be able to access the site anymore. If you're sure, click Remove Collaborator to confirm, and that contact should successfully be removed from the list and will no longer be able to access your site. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to see more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.